changed nothing. Now it's just gonna get really, really, really boring for the next several months. That's it. The success is boring. You figured out the boring formula. Now your greatest challenge is to not stop doing the boring.
I actually want to ask you, brother, appreciate you throwing this meetup.
Of course, man.
What do you think's like the biggest challenge that you've gone through, like going from like maybe 5 figures to 6 figures to 7 figures in your business? Like what's the number one thing that you've struggled with and kind of, it's been a big challenge for you?
Yeah, like personally?
Yeah, personally or even just business.
Well, dude, I've had a lot of them.
Yeah.
I fuck up very publicly.
What stands out today?
As I look back at it?
Yeah.
I relax when things start going really well. So money, I'm like, fuck, there's a lot of money coming in. This is easy. My team's great. I could chill today, you know, or I take my foot off the gas pedal a little bit when things start going really well. So that was something I noticed in me, and now I'm a lot more aware.
Dude, I noticed I do that too. I was just talking, I think it might have been you, Romer, when I'm like on a diet and I'm fit and I'm eating right, I'm getting the results, I've lost 7 pounds. Like now it's cool for me to go like have a cheat meal or something when I'm really trying to just build the habit.
Yeah. So a very good friend of mine, Alex Ramosi, his favorite saying is do the boring work, right? And it's like, so he works with gym owners, and I'll teach a gym owner how to fill their...
Does he have all the curly hair and stuff? ClickFunnels? Yeah, dude, he's awesome.
He's the highest earner in ClickFunnels.
I watch his ads just because he's so entertaining.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
He's one of the best entrepreneurs I know.
Yeah.
But he'll teach a gym owner how to fill their gym to capacity, right? And they'll go from making $4 grand a month to 30 grand a month in their gym. And they do it for 3 months straight. And now they're like, this is great, right? And they go to him and they go, what should I do now? And he goes, change nothing. Now it's just gonna get really, really, really boring for the next several months. That's it. The success is boring. You figured out the boring formula. Now your greatest challenge is to not stop doing the boring.
Yeah, I'm reading a book called Atomic Habits. If you guys haven't read that, read it, Atomic Habits. And they talked about like when you start having success, it comes down to the little tiny decisions, all the little tiny things that you do on a regular basis. And after a while, it's so easy to want to jump to the next exciting thing, like dive into something new, but it's the little tiny things that you do on a regular basis, the boring, mundane things that really, they give you the results long term.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's just no one wants to do boring.
So what do you do when you get into that state?
Which state?
Like you're just like, oh, like I'm doing, like you're getting ready to jump to something new or you're getting comfortable.
Got you. Anytime I find myself getting comfortable, I try and shake shit up on purpose. So maybe I will take a bunch of money out of my account that was making me feel too comfortable and then go put it in an illiquid investment.
Oh, wow.
So now I feel more pressure. Or I will purposely go to a seminar or mastermind or somewhere where I'm gonna be around people who have 40 times more money than me and just feel like a fucking pussy for 2 days straight. I'll literally do that kind of stuff. Because
our ego gets in the way sometimes, like, oh, we've made it, we're doing well, like we can just chill and relax.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always someone bigger and better, always.
Yeah.
So if I can see them in person and they're doing better than me, now I'm like, all right, fucking.
Do you ever use social media to like box yourself in? Like if you know you're fucking up or you're doing something wrong, you're like, listen, I'm gonna put a post out and be like, if I'm not up at 7 in the morning and I don't put something, like, have you ever? Yeah.
I've never.
Because Romer and I, we've been doing like crazy things like on social media to like box ourselves in. Like I lived in Connecticut and he lived in Nashville.
Well, I told him that. Like, when we were on the phone, he was like, if you're gonna come to Miami, you gotta post it tomorrow on social media.
I love it.
Yeah, I have a life business coach I met from Tony Robbins. I just went to Date with Destiny. And I was like, I kind of want to move to Miami like March or April. He's like, no, you're moving 30 days. He's like, if you're serious, post on your Instagram and YouTube, because he knows, because I've got like 140,000 subs. And he's like, he knows I'll do anything to like not let them down.
Yeah.
So he's like, post it, and then I'll know that you're serious about it. And now I'm freaking here, dude, at this freaking meetup with all you amazing people. Yeah.
Good for you, man. Yeah, so that's a great strategy, that public accountability.
Yeah.
I think that's awesome. What are you gonna do next? What's the next thing you'll box yourself in for?
Well, this is really hard to admit, but like I'm trying to learn salsa dancing, and it's like the hardest, like he's getting me into it, and it's so challenging because salsa dancing, like you have to become a leader. You have a woman who's depending on you, so you have to lead, you have to know your moves, you have to stay to the beat, you have to stay to the count, and if you fuck up, you look and feel like an idiot. So like I'm learning that because it pushes me so far outside my comfort zone. And I'm like, if I can get past this, like there's nothing I can't get past, because it's like I have like I'm the whitest boy that you ever gonna meet when it comes to salsa. Yeah, I can spit a couple bars, but a couple, man. But Yeah, man, just trying to push myself.
Good,
and
is there like a salsa party or competition or something at the end of the tunnel? Could we put a light at the end of the tunnel?
He's been challenging me to go to like a Congress or something. So we might have to.
Complete immersion.
Yeah.
Is this the time that we have to like say that we're gonna do it since we're on camera and everything? Okay, one Congress by December 31st, 2020 or sooner.
Shit. Boom.
If not, Jason Kaplan's gonna put me in a headlock, okay?
Dude, that's awesome.
Appreciate you, brother.
12:31.
Thank you.
You got like 10 months. All
Thank
right.
you. Thank you.
Awesome, man.